on the tired side, but I think that's just because I'm getting used to this schedule again. And tomorrow, it's gonna rain. It's my first time riding in the rain since last school year. They opened up, I think they opened up Malala Forest Road, and we're gonna go check that out because it's a nice little drive through there. And even if they didn't, the Grom will fit through. Neighbors might not be super happy, but fuck them. Every time I've been through there, whether I'm walking, running, scooting, tooting, whatever I'm doing, there's no entry sign, and no sign that says like no motor vehicles or whatever. Come on, cool guy. So yeah, there's a fire up over there by Scott's Mills, and I'm not like a worrywart or nothing, but back in 2020, when we bought our house, September of 2020, the town of Detroit and the surrounding area caught fire, and it made its way all the way up here, about, I don't know, 80 miles or so, and we had to evacuate. I had just bought my house it was like 4 weeks after I bought my house. This fire pops up, and we were ordered to evacuate by the fire marshal and the county fire chief. It sucked. That day I was in Portland, clear skies and all that, and I was coming south through Oregon City and all that, and the closer and closer I got to home, the darker and darker the sky got, and it was like something out of a fucking movie, dude. My son was freaking out, all the kids were tripping. Scary for them, scary for us. We thought we were going to lose our house. So it says dead end, but I don't know how true that is. Like I said, I've been through here before. Gonna take her nice and slow. There's a lot of people walk their dogs and shit. People just walk through here a lot. It's a nice little area. The mayor, I was talking to the mayor last year, and he was talking about opening it back up. Now, one thing about having a loud pipe, it's not really a loud pipe. It's, you know, it's louder than stock. It's pretty loud. And the only orange Grom in town, if not the only, no, I'm not the only Grom. There's another Grom over in Big Meadow. Okay, it looks like the gate's still up. That didn't stop me before. Let's see if we can get around this. Yeah, we can get around that. I'm very identifiable. Yeah, no parking, do not block gate. Nothing about fucking trespass or anything. Gotta love the Grom, baby. But yeah, if anything, you know, that's why I don't do a lot of fucking reckless shit. See, it's only closed off right here. Like, just unblock it off, fix it up real quick. But you know, I'm easily recognizable in this thing, on this thing. But I don't really give a fuck. All right, don't fall down. Huh, Tango? Easy. Look at that. Cool. So yeah. Some people just look depressed. I think guys look kind of depressed. Or bumpy. We like to say bumpy in my house. Oh, are you being bumpy? Why are you so bumpy? It's like pouty, grumpy. So we're gonna go straight through and go down the other road, because on the other side, over by the elk farm or elk sanctuary or whatever, it appears that the gate has been either removed or it's like open. So we'll go check that out. But yeah, the mayor was saying they're gonna open them back up, or he plans to. He would like to. Now, is he gonna? I don't know. Mayor, in my opinion, is kind of questionable. Somehow our city goes through a lot of funds and not a lot gets done. Now, they did repair that road behind me, Mall Avenue. They did repair the road over by Erickson's Tire Factory. And they did repair the road over by, or they're doing it right now on Section Street. So they are doing some road repairs, some infrastructure upgrades, especially because the, I didn't see that, it was in the shadow, especially because the population is rapidly increasing. Is that a homeless camp? Oh man, if it is, I'm gonna burn that fucker down. We don't need you here. Go to Portland. Molalla is a very conservative town, city, area, and you know, we like to keep it that way. It's like one of the last places, you know, in the Portland metro. Outside of here, you know, most of Oregon votes red. It's all, you know, in the rural communities, but all the population is in Salem, Portland, and the surrounding area, Beaverton, Hillsboro, Tigard, Tualatin, you know what I mean? Oregon City. Yeah, looks like it's open all the way through. Man, is it a motherfucker of a road, though. Oh, I'm gonna fart. Oh, I farted. But, yeah, we don't, you know, you want to do that stuff, there's plenty of places for you in the Portland metro or Salem. Go there. It's almost like they celebrate you. They definitely welcome you. They give you free shit. Here, we don't like you. We look at you with ire. We don't like you. We don't want you. We're not equipped for that. We're a small farm, rural community. You know, yeah, the city of Molalla has 10,000. And that's what's one thing that just blows my mind is the bigger a place gets, the more blue it gets. Now, I vote conservative. I'm a conservative. Am I a conservative on every single issue? No. Not like a rank and file thing. I don't believe what I'm told to believe by anybody. I believe what I believe because I see the world through my own unique pair of eyes. But, you know, I will call out bullshit. Doesn't matter where that no matter whose ass that shit comes from, I'm calling it out. And right now, the blue side of things has moved so far blue that it's just almost like they're doing it out of spite, and there's no, you know, there's no middle ground. You know, they're going hard on stuff where we draw the line. So, for example, the whole trans thing, that's a hard line in the sand. There's no compromise. You know, except for the whole, like, you know, you do you as a consenting adult, but you can't make me believe you. You know, like, if you're a dude transitioning into a chick, one, I have zero respect for you. None. Absolutely zero. Look what's going on in women's sports. None. Zero respect. You know, maybe if you were trying to go play with fucking females, like actual real women, or trying to go in their locker rooms and bathrooms, because you still have a fucking cock and balls, dude. Just because you cut it off, that makes me even less inclined to want you to go in there. Because you're definitely not well. To abortion. I mean, dude, it's called consequences to actions. It's called repercussions. Oh no, I had sex. And then they'll come out and they'll say, well, you know, what about if a woman medically needs it or she'll die? That's 33 out of 100,000. 33 out of 100,000. Now, obviously, if the case arose where that happened, which is incredibly rare, like, oh my god, rare. That's less than 1%. What the fuck is this thing? It's like a shoebox? Some sort of box. Not my box, not my business. That's what I always say. Or children of grape. Which, fuck that. Rape. You should be able to say stuff like rape and Hitler. Instead of, you know, well, if you say that kind of stuff, it gets demonetized. Or just those words. You get demonetized or you get removed entirely. Which is just wild. Insane. But, well, you know, you don't fight evil with evil. You know, abortion is evil. It's killing a human being because it's not convenient. Or because it is convenient, whatever. The abortion is convenient. Having the kid is inconvenient. Well, yeah, it's evil to kill the kid. Well, isn't it just as evil to force the girl to have the baby? Look, dude, bad things happen. Bad things happen to good people. But a bad thing happening to a presumably good person doesn't make it okay for you to do a bad thing by terminating a baby. And then they'll say, no uterus, no opinion. Well, at the same time, and I'm sure you've heard this before, but at the same time, can't dudes be chicks now? So, like, what the fuck? They can have an opinion, right? Well, no. We don't subscribe to that. Sorry, no, you know, no uterus, no opinion. Yeah, fuck you. Because it's you know, I'm sure you've heard these arguments over and over and over again, but it's 50% the dudes. You know, and men get so fucked on when it comes to like child support and stuff. Can't you at least give the motherfucker an option? Like, hey, I want to keep the kid. You need a unanimous decision if you're gonna keep abortion, which I just think you shouldn't. Anyway, that's where I lie. We don't need the homeless people here. Go to Portland. Fuck you. I love you. I love you. Thank you for watching my video. Oh, hi everyone. Hey, Elon Musk. Have you seen Elon, like Chinese Elon Musk? I love you. And I'll see you in the next motherfucking video.